What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys why you should start that thing that you've been wanting to do for a while. Start it before you know how to do it. I'll explain it more in depth in the whole video, but I'll start off with an example. So, when I first wanted to become a YouTuber, it's so crazy right now because I've been growing a lot recently, even though I took a break for like almost 3 weeks from posting. I appreciate you guys for sticking with me, but I'm almost at 5,000 subscribers, and it's on the point now where like YouTube is kind of becoming on autopilot. I'm making some money from it, and the videos are doing well, so I'm really grateful for that. But flash forward, or no, rewind back to the beginning of my journey. I remember it was about 2 years ago, and I had really wanted to start YouTube. Also, guys, if you don't know, I'm still in Tokyo right now. I'm in Japan. Um, I've been liking it. At first, when I came out here, I wasn't really sure how I felt about it, but look at this. It's beautiful. It's a train station over there. It's so nice. So yeah, I wanted to become a YouTuber, and in my head, I didn't start for about 6 months because like everybody else, or if I don't know if you want to be a YouTuber, but like everybody else does when they want before they want to start something, I was thinking about everything like, okay, well, what's my niche gonna be? How am I gonna know? How am I gonna know how to film the video? What camera am I gonna use? What editing software am I gonna use? Do I need to get a microphone? What's my thumbnails gonna be like? What's my title? What's my channel name gonna be? Like, I had all these questions, and I remember I watched this YouTuber named Hamza for a while back then. I don't really watch him anymore, but he's the one that really kind of motivated me and like basically said the same thing that I'm telling you guys, is that you need to start that thing right now. Like, you think that you're gonna figure it all out in your head first and then start it, but that's not how anything in this life works. How things in this life works is that you start the thing first, and by starting it, you figure out the path. Like, the path shows itself to you per each step that you take. So you can't see all the way at the end of the path at the beginning of it, but each step that you take, then the next step becomes more and more clear. Does that make sense? So yeah, you need to start it, whatever it is, whether it's you want to become a YouTuber, if you want to be an influencer. One of the reasons why I was able to come out here to Tokyo in Japan was because I started this whole influencer thing, and it allotted me just the ability to at least know that I can make money online, like passively. Not balling by any means just yet, but making some money online kind of just showed me that it's possible. So whether you want to be an influencer, you know that I live in LA in the Content House, with a couple of my influencer friends. So whether you want to do that, if you want to be a TikToker, if you want to start a business, if you want to get in shape, if you want to lose weight, if you want to, be a better partner to your partner, if you want to be a better son to your parents, like whatever that thing is that you want to do, you want to pursue, you need to start right now. Like, don't wait for the plan to come to you, because I promise you guys, the more that you wait, the more that you waste time. When you wait, you waste. When you wait, you waste away. It's like our whole human body clock. You're not getting any younger. We're literally dying day by day. And not to sound bleak or morbid or anything, but every day we are kind of wasting away. So don't wait, because when you wait, you waste away, and you waste away your opportunity. Another reason why I think you should start before you know how as well, guys, is because there will be certain like trends and moments that if you kind of miss it, you kind of miss your wave and your blessing and your opportunity. I remember what got me into YouTube. It was about 2 years ago. The whole it's like when everybody wanted to increase their testosterone, and me, I've always been a person that's like loved drugs, and the way I could get into YouTube was my love of natural drugs, aka supplements, nootropics. And I remember I got in on the wave where men really wanted to increase their testosterone through things like Tankadali, Tribulus, Shilajit, ashwagandha, different supplements like that. And I just started reviewing them, and that was the way that I initially got my channel to kind of like not blow up, but it got me my initial amount of views. And by me getting my initial amount of views, that gave me the motivation to keep going. So when you start now, when you start before you know how, you can kind of catch a wave and a blessing, where that like if you wait, you will miss a wave, and you miss another wave, and you miss another wave. Now, don't get this misconstrued and make. I'm not telling you that it's too late to start. Like, say if there's something that you want to start in this very moment, you can still start it. Like, it's never too late, and don't feel that you've ever been left behind. But just know that the best time to start is now. It's like the whole tree analogy. They say there's two best times to have planted a tree. The first best time was 30 years ago, and the second best time is today. So Comment down below. Are you guys having a hard time like starting something? I know that it can be tough sometimes, but I think that by supporting each other, like if you comment below, tell me what you're trying to start, I'll support you. And I know if you guys are even watching this, hopefully it means that you're supporting me. So if you guys like today's video and this type of content, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button because I do post videos like this every single day. And if this video resonated with you, check out this other video that you should watch next. I love you guys. I'll speak with you very soon. I'll see you tomorrow.